Hear ye now the tale of Tyre, city strong and wide. O merchants of the sea, whose pride cannot abide. On shores of commerce, where ships did dance and glide, the winds now carry whispers of the ruin that's inside. Thy fortifications rise, yet the hammer doth descend. For the Lord hath spoken, and his purpose makes an end. Woe unto thee, O Tyre, for thy fall shall come to pass. The pride of human glory falls like shattered glass. Let not thy strength deceive thee, nor wealth elevate thine eyes. For the Lord will humble thee beneath the endless skies. A cycle of 70 years, written heaven's hand. For every rise must fall, as the dunes shift in the sand. Thy allies from distant lands shall feel the weight of shame, as Egypt mourns thy ruin, calling out thy name. Tyre, O Tyre, thy story's not in vain. For from higher to holiness the cycle shall remain. What once was for thy glory now shall serve as light, a provision for the humble, a path to bless the night. Woe unto thee, O Tyre, for thy fall shall come to pass. The pride of human glory falls like shattered glass. Let not thy strength deceive thee, nor wealth elevate thine eyes. For the Lord will humble thee beneath the endless skies. The burden borne so heavy neath the stars that watch and weep. For cities rise and fall, their memories we keep. The Lord, he governs all, the waves that kiss thy shore, and through thy fall his purpose shall prevail forevermore.